WAEC 2024 result is out at last. A big congratulations to the candidates that start for this year 2024 WAEC examination. Now, in this video, I will show you how you can check your WAEC results in 3 ways. Because presently now they released it not quite long, and the website is very jam-packed with a lot of pressure. So the best way for you to check your result is to take some time. Okay, take some time. But if you want to check it because of pressure, so it's better you have like 3 different options. If you use the first option, you're unable to get your result. Use the second option, you're unable to get it. The third option, I'm very sure will bring out your result, because I know students, I know you are very very eager and you want to know your scores and what your results will bring. So that's why I made this video urgently now. So I'll be showing you the 3 ways in which you can check your result. So let's go to the other side and let me show you on my phone how you can check your result. Now, the first way to check your WAEC result, the first way is through SMS. You can see here how to check WAEC result with SMS. The first step, using mobile device. You have to type WAEC, exam number. After exam number, you type PIN. After that, you put your exam year. Okay, you don't need to put gap. So you now send to 32327. But by that, you must have gotten your scratch card. So after that, so the third stage is that you will receive a message instantly containing your WAEC statement of results. So note, if you did not receive your WAEC results via SMS, kindly repeat this step again. So SMS charges will be applied when checking your WAEC results using text messages. So the second one that I will discuss is how to check it online through the website. So how to check via the website? To check your WAEC results, visit www.waecdirect.org and log in. Okay. So please note, you may need a WAEC scratch card. Even for the text message, you will need it to check. So follow the procedure below to check your WAEC results for 2024. So now, if you check it properly, there are some things that you have to take note on that. So I've logged into I've gotten to the WAEC site. This is how the WAEC site looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay. So the first thing we like you to do there is that here we have the examination number. That's your exam number. The explanation is here. Enter your 10-digit WAEC examination number. This is your 7-digit center number, followed by your 3-digit candidate number. You can see an example they put there. Okay, for example, the year, and you enter your 8-digit WAEC examination number. So that's how to do that. And the exam year is through 2024. It is there already. But examination, you have to change it. You have to click on it. As I click, it will bring out private candidate results, school candidate. So you have to go to school candidate. So you press school candidate. Now, this other column there is for your PIN. Okay, so you have to enter the PIN, enter the e-PIN voucher number that is in your ID card, or you might buy it out there. So we have the serial number also. So under serial number, they're expecting you to put your serial number, and after that you press submit, and you wait for the result window to come up. So that's the second way. So let me talk about the third way now. To use the third way, you have to go to Play Store. Go to Google Play Store. Okay, Google Play Store. There you go to search, and when you press search, you now go to where you have to put the thing there. So you have to set WAEC results checker app. You can see it, WAEC results checker app. You can press one of 2024 or anyhow. Just do like this, WAEC result checker app. Now you have to press download. It's because I've downloaded, that's why it brought open. So you press open here. So you now go to WAEC result checker, select your country to begin. So you select Nigeria. Once you select Nigeria, you will see every option there. They will ask for your examination number. You put it there in that column there, examination number. The examination year, you will be allowed to take the examination year, you take it as appropriate. Examination type, you take it, and you have to call it school candidate result. You also put your PIN and your phone number. Congratulations again. I know by you using these three methods, one of them will work and you'll be able to check your WAEC and it will ease you of tension. Please like this video if you find value in it. Subscribe to this channel and share to friends. Please share so that we can encourage us to do more. This channel is about mathematics, physics and chemistry. We get free tutorial. Thank you, congratulations and God bless you.